Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use new back tap feature on iPhone. But first, what you need to do here is to update your iPhone to a latest version. So basically you need to update your iPhone to iOS 14, and basically what back tap allows you to do that. So basically there is double tap or triple tap, and you can basically do different tasks with these taps. And if you want to find these tabs, what you need to do here, go on settings and then go on accessibility and then go on touch and then go on, as you can see here, back tap. And as you can see here, there is double tap or triple tap. So as you can see here, for me double tap is screenshot. So what it does, I just need to double tap on basically near to iPhone logo like this, and as you can see here, it will take basically it will take a screenshot. And it's good basically feature because you can double tap or triple tap also without your basically case, and it will work. And if for example we want to select triple tap, you can do a bunch of different tasks. You can basically go to home, you can lock screen, you can mute, you can shake phone, turn on Siri, and a lot of stuff. And simply, if you want to, for example, enable lock screen with a triple tap, as you can see here, just select the option and then triple tap on the back, and you will go on a lock screen. All right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.